My husband surprised me with a dinner cruise on my birthday. As many of you know, Chicago is known for its jaw-dropping architecture, magnificent skyline, vibrant music scene, and fantastic food. So I was overjoyed by his idea, and it was an incredible experience that I won't forget. For those wanting to book this cruise for your event, this is a 2.5-hour dining experience from a glass-enclosed vessel with panoramic views of the city's unique architecture on the Chicago River. We enjoy the delicious plated dishes and specialty cocktails as we cruise under the city's glittering skyscrapers and landmarks, including 𝒕𝒍𝒊𝒂𝒔 Bridge, Merchandise Mart, Willis Tower, and the Old Chicago Post Office, and more. Also, you can reserve a window table for the best views, which we did. Additional upgrades are available to customize your experience, and they can accommodate dietary restrictions as well. By the way, the dress code is cocktail attire. There was live entertainment, and the DJ created an exquisite atmosphere on the boat's climate-controlled interior and open-air decks. Service is exceptional. We had fun chatting with the servers and the crew. Thinking about popping the question? This is the perfect place for a romantic proposal, right?
Congratulations! Anniversary couples out there. This one is for you. Happy anniversary.
It's also good.
Good job!
Having fun is easy. Sometimes you just gotta dance. You can't beat Chicago's fabulous skyline. Fun facts: Chicago is the birthplace of the first modern skyscraper in the world, built in 1885, which is the Home Insurance Building. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next one. Bye!